So you mentioned the assessing penalties. Everyone loves that.
Yeah.
What are some types of penalties?
So there's actually over 150 different types of
It's
penalties.
so many.
Yeah, that the IRS assesses. Some of the most common ones are late filing. So you didn't file your return on time, or you didn't file an extension, and so the return's late. Another very common one that we see is not making estimated tax payments, and if there was also information left off of the return, they charge a penalty for that as well.
Okay. How expensive do these penalties get?
They can get pretty expensive. Penalties that are related to like forms, like missing forms or something like 1099 maybe was there was information incorrect or is missing. Those can be $150 per form. We've seen where that can rack up pretty quickly if you
Certain.
have information missing on 100 of those. Can be a pretty lofty fine. And then another one is payroll related penalties. The IRS takes that very seriously, and so those penalties are very high. And they can also go into where they'll place liens and levies on your accounts and stuff like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So are the penalties always monetary?
So they're not always monetary. There's also, there can be criminal charges as well, so which can include jail time. So it's not just, them looking at your money and stuff. They can also, like I said, they can do liens and levies, and they can, take money from your bank accounts, or, take assets and stuff, property and stuff like that as well.
Wow, okay.